Hey friend, today we're going to be doing some railfanning of a walkway crossing in Newmarket, and then we're going to a different crossing for a different train. So anyway, there she is right now. We have cab car 360. And that's the Newmarket junction 561. And there she goes some way down to East Granbury. You can see here. There goes 561 and cab car 360 on way down to Bradford. So yeah, we're going to be seeing hopefully one more train. So I'm going to pause it for now, and then we will see another one. Okay, so when we are approaching Green Lane, there's been an accident here. You can see river fair. Police cars are everywhere and stuff like that. And that's when the train comes. The train's actually at the East Granbury GO station departing. You can see. So basically, while we were at the walkway, there was an accident that caused a big traffic. You can see. Right now, the train's departing East Granbury. We'll hear the horn one last time. That's the same train that we saw for walkway. But holy man, if we would see this train at East Granbury, I will hear the accident and stuff like that. Some parts on the road, tow trucks and emergency vehicles. And it's maybe the East Granbury GO station. So yeah, I'm really surprised there was an accident here. So once again, I'm going to pause it for now until the next train comes. Holy man. Someone must have run a red light or something like that. Okay, now we are at the Timothy Street crossing in Newmarket. And we have a GO train coming. We have cab car 315. There we go some way down to Barry, stopping at Newmarket for stop on the way, you can see. So yeah, we're going to see one more train, so I'm going to pause it for now. Okay, now we are at the Newmarket Drive crossing in Newmarket, and we have another one coming. You can see. Cab car 325. And then before the engine, 626. And there she goes on the way down to Newmarket. And that is the final train we are going to be seeing tonight. And there she goes. So yeah, that's basically going to be some railfanning around the Newmarket area today. So yeah, that's going to be it. That's the final train we're going to be seeing tonight. Unless we didn't stop by another one, which I don't think is going to happen. So yeah, that's going to be it. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.